Good morning Year 4, this is your maths work for today. Today we are learning to solve problems involving all four operations. So that's adding, taking away, multiplying and dividing. You are going to be able to estimate calculations and use your previous knowledge of the four operations to answer questions accurately. Now you can see we have got our questions here for your quick starter. If you pause the video now and try to answer those for me please. Okay, so going through these answers here, 6 times 9 is 54. This Roman numeral is a 5 and this would be a 10 and a 1, so that would be 5 times 11, which is 55. 11 times 7 is 77. Again, we've got an x, which is a 10 and a 1, 11. V is 5, 11 times 5 is 55. 12 times 6 is 72. V is a 5. V, 5, 6, 7, so that's 5 times 7, which is 35. Did you get all of those right? Make sure you mark your answers please. Okay, if you pause the video here please and try and work out these answers. Okay, so here you'll find the answers. If you pause here, you can have a look at your work and check it's correct. Correct any mistakes and then move on when you are ready. Okay, so the vocabulary you're going to be using today is estimate, calculation, order and rounding. Let's start with this introduction. Lana is shopping. She has about £20 to spend. Estimate what she could purchase. A dress is £11.45, a jacket £5.75. You can read the rest yourselves if you pause the video here and estimate if she has about £20 to spend, what items could she buy? Okay, so when you are estimating what she could purchase, you need to round some of the numbers. So for example, the hat costing £4.95, you would round that to £5. So that's what it means when you are making an estimate. So some examples of what she could purchase are the dress and the scarf, because the dress rounds to £11 and the skirt would round, the scarf would round to £9. She could purchase the jacket, shirt and shoes, the hat, jacket and scarf. There are different combinations, but you need to make sure you are rounding the numbers first before you estimate. Okay, next activity. Which coins would complete this bar model? So on this bar at the top here, we've got £1.60. You can use the coins more than once, but I need to put some coins in each of these to equal the same as £1.60. But what you'll notice is these are the same size. So I can't use 50 pence, for example, 50, 50, 50 and then a 10, because this one is the same size as this. So that wouldn't work. So pause the video here and think, what coins could I put in each of these to equal £1.60? Okay, so we can put 40 pence in each, because 40, 80, £1.20, £1.60, and you can see that each section is equal, so you would use two 20 pences in each one. Complete the bar model for the problem. Bobby goes to the shopping centre. He spends £12.50 on a new pair of shorts and £10.80 on a t-shirt. How much money does he spend altogether? Pause the video here and have a go at answering this in your exercise book please. Okay, it's important to remember with this one that these two are the same as this one here. So if we have a look at the answer, he goes to the shop and spends £12.50 on a new pair of shorts, £10.80 on a t-shirt, and all together I add those up and that equals £23.30. Sharks, you can finish now please. Can you complete page 30 in your CGP book and upload to Dojo Pandas and Year 4, if you continue working with me, we'll continue with some more examples. So pause the video here and try and calculate the missing numbers. Okay, when you're finding the missing numbers, 6 lots of something make £1.80. So you do the inverse to work out the missing number. £1.80 shared into 6 groups at 30 pence each. So 6 lots of 30 pence make £1.80, and a bar model is quite a useful model to help you work that one out. And again for this one, if something times by 7 is £1.40, then £1.40 divided by 7 will give you the answer, which is 20 pence. The table below shows ticket prices for the theatre. How much would it cost for 2 adults and 2 children to visit the theatre during the afternoon? Pause the video here and have a go in your exercise book. Okay, it's in the afternoon, so I need to look at this column here. 2 adults, I need £16.25 multiplied by 2, that's £32.50. 2 children, that's £8.75, multiply that by 2, which is £17.50, and then I add those totals together to get £50. At the bakery, Hanan spent £4 altogether. What could she have bought? Find more than one possibility. Again, pause the video here and have a go. Okay, here's some examples for you. She could have bought 2 soda breads because they are £2 each, so that would give you a total of £4. She could buy 2 baguettes, they're £1 each, so that would be £2, and a soda bread for £2, that would make £4. She could buy 4 hot cross buns, they're 50 pence each, so that would be £2, and then a soda bread for £2. There are so many possibilities for you here, so I'd like you to have a double check and see if you've worked those out correctly. Carice buys 3 sunflowers and 2 tulips. She pays with £10. How much change will she receive? Again, pause here and have a go. Okay, if she has 3 sunflowers, that's £1.50 multiplied by 3, so that's £4.50. 2 tulips, they're £2.50 each, so 2 of them would be £5. I add those totals together and then take that away from £10, she would receive 50 pence change. So, Year 4 books and Pandas books, please complete page 26 in your CGP Maths book. We look forward to seeing that on Dojo.